Hey guys, welcome again in this new series. Here we will learn how we can install Python and set up our PyCharm environment. So I will simply go to Google Chrome or whatever your favorite search engine. So simply you can search there Python download. Okay, so you will write there Python download. Just click here. Okay, so from here you can download your Python, or if you have different machine you can download from here Windows, Linux or Unix, or Mac OS, whatever you have. Okay, so you will click here and that Python will be downloaded. And if you want to install a specific version of Python in your system, so you can simply go here downloads and then view the full list of downloads. Okay, here you will get different version. Okay, from Python 3.9.10 to 8.5 everything. Okay, so you have to download from there. So I simply went here and clicked here. Now I downloaded that thing in my system, and here is my system download folder. So I downloaded that Python. Okay, for the PyCharm community edition you have to do same thing, PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm is IDE for Python. Okay, if you want to run interactive query or coding in your system, you can use PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm is created by JetBrains and it will be available here. And after opening this thing we will able to see that PyCharm there. Okay, so till then this screen is opening. What we will do, we will simply install Python here and we will run this thing, and then it will be installed in our machine in C drive. Okay, so this is the very important part. If you are installing this software, then you have to select here add Python 3.10 to path variable. Okay, by that we don't have to install or set path variable again and again. Okay, just this is very important. Okay, so click here also add Python variable. Okay, then install now. Okay, this is installed. Until then this PyCharm, why is PyCharm is not loading? Okay, this is downloading in our system. In the same way you can download in your system. It's totally depend upon your system, that which kind of system you are using. Every version is there. Okay, so right now how I will check that Python is installed in my machine or not? Okay, you simply go here, open right now it is installed. Okay, but what you have to do, you have to open cmd here. Okay, I will write cmd command prompt and I will simply write Python here. Okay, in my system its path variable is not set up properly. Okay, so here else Python will be opened here. So what I will do, I will show you here. Means right now it is not showing anything because it is installing. Okay, after installation I will able to see. If I will write Python there, Python interpreter will open there. Okay, so we will wait and see. Till then I can pause this video and after that I will resume that thing. Okay, no, it is installing. Okay, it is cool. So here in the PyCharm section you simply go to professional and community edition. So we have to download that thing. I already downloaded that community edition in my system. Okay, so I will simply install that thing. But first I have to wait for this Python. Python will be set up properly here and then I have to do that thing. Anyway, I will cancel that thing until or unless I will not run this program. Okay, so I have to wait for Python. It is keep installing. So if you have any kind of questions, what you can do, you can simply send email to my disable path length limit. Okay, I don't want to disable anything. Okay, it is set and successfully installed. Then I will close that thing. Now I will open that cmd, okay, for checking that python is installed or not. Maybe path variable is not set up there. Python, okay, you can see python, this one is installed. Previously it is not showing anything. Okay, so what can I do? I can simply write here print the legendary program. I will write here hello world. Okay, so hello world, it is typing. Okay, it is a runtime interpreter, so I will write 2 plus 3 and it will show me. Why it is not showing? Okay, number log 2 plus 3, it will show me 5. Okay, it is dynamic programming language, so I am able to see that thing here. So in the same way, okay, python is installed now. I will install that PyCharm community edition that I downloaded from here. Okay, so simply you have to go to Google and just write PyCharm download. It will show you everything. Okay, so what else I can do till then? Okay, I will run this thing. Okay, and let's wait for 2-3 minutes and let's see if it is installing. Okay, it is verifying that installer. Okay, so if you have SSD in your system, then it is really awesome. Okay, so this is the first window pop-up we got. So next here I will do next, and then I will tick all these things. Okay, and I will install that thing. Okay, here our PyCharm community edition is installed, and it will be available here after some time. Okay, so till then I will pause this video and we will meet after some time. Screen, now it is completely installed. I will reboot that thing later. Okay, reboot my system later. And now what I will do, I will open that thing, open PyCharm community edition and set up that whole thing, and we'll do print hello world also. We will do print hello world there. Okay, jet1. Okay, I confirm everything. Okay, don't send. Okay, now it is installed here. So what I will do, I will simply create new project. Okay, I will click that new project. What is that? It is Python PyCharm project for the tracking purpose. Okay, where my project are creating. Okay, so simply I will go to the user, then public, not a public, there should be desktop. Okay, in desktop I will create those project. Okay, so what will be the project name? My Python learning, my Python learning learning. Okay, virtual environment. We can simply select from here, and what is our Python interpreter? So this is the interpreter. We will simply create that thing. Okay, it will create one folder there in our desktop. You can see here, what is that? Why it is not minimizing? Okay, maybe it is trying to open. Okay, don't show tips. Okay, everything is fine. It is opening first time. Okay, see desktop, inside desktop I created that thing. It is keep loading right now. Okay, and you can see scanning files to index. Okay, so pre-built shared index, reduce the indexing time. Okay, always load. Okay, main py. Okay, this is virtual environment. So how can I write my first program here? I will simply right click there. Okay, and in the further videos I show you that whole thing how you can do. Okay, I will select from here Python and then first program. Okay, so here first program will open, and now what I will write print here, or then I will do hello Viral. Okay, so how to run this program? Right now it is indexing. I don't know that it will work or not, but anyway, we can just simply click here, run Python file in the console. Okay, so So as you can see, now it is printing that thing. Okay, hello Aviral is there. Okay, this is the way we can run the first program, and we are about to run hell lot of programs in this whole course, and we will learn step by step everything. Okay, so I hope you will find this course useful, and will recommended this course to your friends, families, other people. Thank you very much. We will meet in another session.